I'm here with the team from WowGo. Let's take a look at their factory in Shenzhen.
Okay, let's go. Here is our IQC area. Like this, it is our vibration tester for the battery pack. Check it out. Because we need to make sure the internal connection of the battery pack is strong enough. We need to do the charging and discharging test for more than 10 hours to make sure it can charge and discharge normally. Here it's our parts matching system. Here we can also do the motor rotating speed test directly. Here's our WowGo warehouse. After we finish IQC test, we'll store our parts here, like our ESC board, remote control, and our deck. Now we'll take a look how the WowGo board was made. At first we need to post the grip tape on the deck. Then we'll cut the extra grip tape. After we cut it, it will look like this. At second step, we need to install the wheel chuck and the motor chuck. At third step, we will install the ESC on the deck. Of course, we also need to do the connection. Connect the cable from the ESC to the cable from the motor. And here on the connector, we also use the heat shrink tube to make the connector insulated and to make the connection strong enough. And here we install the battery pack. At first, we also fasten the battery pack in the case. Then install this battery case on the deck. After finish the assembly, we also need to do the charging and discharging test. Here we can also check whether the motor with the same rotating speed.
Hello guys, this is still Jason. Okay, let me introduce our WowGo team to you guys. Aiden, our product director, Valley, marketing manager, and Jack, chief engineer, Tom, chief designer. Our WowGo team will always focus on the board, focus on the detail, focus on the quality, focus on the service, and we will always do our best. Yeah!
That was not my idea.
Hello, this is Aiden. I'm the product director of WowGo.
Hey man, it's Valley. I am the marketing manager.
要怎么来说？
Chief designer.
就说这一句吗？
对。